Good morning, everyone. I am so sorry this is so late. I just got finished with all the earthquake reports. Now, there have been a mess of small earthquakes in Puerto Rico and in Turkey. I will put the links for those down where you leave comments, and I will pin it there for you. Here we go. And it's still going off, guys. All right. Overnight, while we slept and into the day, there was a 4.1. According to the USGS, they downgraded that to a 3.9 Puerto Rico region. They have it 1 mile northeast of YAUCO at 7 miles in depth. EMSC still has it at a 4.1 Puerto Rico region, 1 mile northeast of YAUCO at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. Now, I am going to use only one earthquake center if they agree. If they don't agree, you're getting both, okay? There was a 4.3 Baret DA Indonesia at 19.8 miles in depth. Now on this one here, USGS and EMSC do not agree, alright? There was, according to the USGS, a 4.3 Mona Passage, 39 miles northwest of AGUADILLA at 14 miles in depth. EMSC's got it at a 4.4 Puerto Rico, same location at 6.2 miles in depth. Alright, only they've got it 40 miles northwest, okay? Both links will be in the description box. There was a 4.2 near the coast of southern Peru at 64.6 miles in depth. EMSC went a little crazy here. They had it at a 4, on the next one, had it at a 4.2, upgraded it to a 4.7, downgraded it to a 4.2 Guerrero, Mexico at 62.1 mile in depth. USGS had it at a 4.2 Guerrero, Mexico, 6 miles east of NUEVOCHURUMUCO at 55 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 3.2 Central Alaska. They had it 42 miles, USGS had it 42 miles southeast of Cantwell at 27 miles in depth. EMSC has it at a 3.4 Central Alaska, 70 miles south of Haley at 32.1 miles in depth. This one came across just not too long ago. USGS started it with a 4.2, upgraded it to a 4.4 Alaska Peninsula. They've got it 62 miles southeast of Old Limina at 73 miles in depth. EMSC followed. They had it at a 4.2, upgraded it to a 4.4 Central Alaska. They've got it 104 miles northwest of Kodiak Station at 71.4 miles in depth. There was a 4.5 near the coast of Nicaragua at 22 miles in depth. A 4.3 Caspian Sea. They've got that 16 miles south of RASHT, Iran, at 6 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Michoacano, Mexico, at 9.9 miles in depth. A 3.7 Michoacano, Mexico, at 11.8 miles in depth. A 3.3 Oaxaca, Mexico, at 8.0 miles in depth. A 4.1 Oaxaca, Mexico at 77.0 miles in depth. Guys, I'm going to keep an eye on Mexico for sure today. There was a 3.7 Iran-Iraq border region. They've got that at 11.8 miles in depth. A 4.2 Michoacana, Mexico at 3.1 mile in depth. A 4.3 Indonesia at 39.1 mile in depth. A 3.6 Argentina at 139.1 mile in depth. A 4.4 Hokkaido, Japan they've got it at 24.8 miles in depth. A 3.5 Peru, Ecuador border region at 18.6 miles in depth. Now, like I said, there was a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of earthquakes in Turkey and in Puerto Rico. I will put those links at the bottom so you guys can find those, okay? God bless each and every one of you. Please, please be safe out there. I hope you enjoy your day. God bless. 2 thumbs up. Sending much love.